In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact on WhatsApp Web. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official WhatsApp web page. You can search for WhatsApp Web or type the direct address into the address bar. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code on the screen. If you already use WhatsApp Web, you might see your recent chats instead. Now, let's get you signed in. If your screen shows the QR code, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the menu or settings, and find linked devices. Tap Link a device, then point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. It only takes a moment, and your chats will load in the browser. If you see an option to log in with your phone number, you can choose that instead, then follow the on-screen prompts to verify with a code. Either way, make sure your phone has an active internet connection during setup for the smoothest experience. Once you're logged in, locate the chat that contains the number you want to save. This might be an existing conversation with an unknown number or a chat someone started with you that isn't in your contacts yet. Click the chat to open it, then click the profile photo or avatar at the top of the conversation to open the contact details panel on the right. In the Details panel, look for the Add option and click it. This opens a contact form right inside WhatsApp Web. Fill in the contact information. Enter the first name and last name, and make sure the country code is correct. The country code should match where the phone number is registered. You typically don't include any leading zeros after the country code. Type the full phone number carefully to avoid saving the wrong contact. If you see an option to sync this contact to your phone, choose whether you want it to appear in your phone's contacts as well. This is helpful if you want the name to show up across devices, and it keeps things consistent. When everything looks good, click the green check icon to save. You should see the chat update to show the contact's name instead of just the number. If it doesn't change immediately, give it a moment or refresh the WhatsApp Web tab. The contact will now be available in your chats, and if you chose to sync, it will appear on your phone shortly. That's it. You've added a contact on WhatsApp Web quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.